At My Hotel Reputation, we understand the importance of effective reputation management, and we also know that it's not limited to simply responding to online reviews. In order to effectively manage your hotel's online reputation, an integrative approach is needed, and that is exactly what we do. We start by ensuring you are set up and optimized on all relevant review platforms, including TripAdvisor, Expedia, Hotels.com, Booking.com, Facebook, Google, and any other site which is important to you. When optimizing your sites, we ensure that all photos are current, that your property's information is correct, that your descriptions are enhanced for search engines, and if you had any recent renovations or rebranding, we can also have reviews removed prior to that date. Next, your hotel is assigned to a reputation specialist team who will start by familiarizing themselves with your property and will respond to the most recent reviews across all platforms. In this way, we are able to solidify the foundation of your online reputation. By being proactive about your hotel's online presence, you will already begin to see positive growth. Your specialist will then begin monitoring all channels daily, and as soon as a new review is posted, your review will be responded to in a positive and professional manner. But that's just the start. With our Hotel Advantage plan, we will work with you hand in hand to not only monitor and manage your online reputation, but we will take strategic action on a daily basis to build your rating, ranking, and number of online reviews. You will be provided with custom review reminder cards as well as a custom review invite form to proactively ask guests to rate their experience upon checkout. Your guests can then be sent the request via email or text message, and the message they receive is tailored specifically to your property. Our intelligent review filtering system will ask the guests to rate their experience on a scale of 1 to 5. If positive, they will be redirected to share immediately online, while potentially damaging feedback is sent to you and your specialist in the form of an email and kept offline. This is an extremely powerful tool which, when utilized, will allow you to see dramatic improvements in your rating and ranking in a short amount of time. Our system knows who opened, clicked, and followed through to share their experience, so it will proactively remind your guest every few days in order to optimize conversion. Every month, you will receive a report which provides all of the metrics for your campaign, so you know just how effective the system is working for you and your hotel. Finally, with Hotel Social Pro, we will post engaging content every week to your Facebook business page, including local events, travel hacks, holiday greetings, inspirational posts, and photos and content specific to your property. Our social media team will also engage with your guests, asking those who left a positive review to share on other social mediums. In addition, we will share your 4- and 5-star reviews live and instantly as social proof so your followers and prospective guests know just how wonderful your hotel is. Sign up today at myhotelreputation.com. Thank you.